Yeah, I'll shortly present you the AOC within the Ammann group. The AOC is the Autonomous Operation Cluster, where we try to develop autonomous and assistive functions for the various operators. Here we have the chance to see 3 different systems, which is market ready quite soon. First one is the fully integrated camera system, which is connected to the driver's seat. And when the operator turns the seat, the camera rotates with the driver. The second feature is a camera trajectory overlay, which helps the operator to see where the machine is driving, especially in close areas or in corners or wall drivings. And the third feature which we have is really the 360 surround view. Together with this, we have the safe brake assist. It's the safe distance checking to different obstacles and protects collisions to various people and obstacles and simplifies the operation of the machine. Main focus is to increase the safety for the operator, the safety on the construction site, and with those systems we do a first step towards a safer construction site.